ever, ever,
ever, ever.
At any time.
Have you ever been to London? If you're ever in Cambridge, do give me a ring. Nothing ever happens here in the evenings.
there, there,
There, there.
Used when you are giving someone something.
There's some money for your cinema ticket. Could I have a pencil? Yes, there you are.
A.
An.
Used before some phrases saying how much of something there is.
A few days. A bit of wool.
Used before some action nouns when referring to one example of the action.
Take a look at this, Jez. I'm just going to have a wash.
Used before the first but not the second of two nouns that are often used together.
A cup and saucer. A knife and fork.
Used when referring to a unit of something, especially something you eat or drink.
I'd love a coffee. All I had for lunch was a yogurt.
Used between a fraction and a unit of measurement.
Half a mile. A quarter of a kilo. 3/4 of an hour.
Used when referring to a certain period of time.
Take one tablet 3 times a day. She earns $100,000 a year.
Office, office,
Office. Office.
A room or building where people work.
I didn't leave the office until 8 o'clock last night. The director's office. Office workers.
A room or building where you can get information, tickets, or a particular service.
A ticket office. The tourist office.
dinosaur, dinosaur,
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
A very large animal that used to live millions of years ago.
So why did the dinosaurs die out?
cloud, cloud,
Cloud. 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 Cloudy.
A white or gray mass in the sky, made of very small drops of water.
Do you think those are rain clouds on the horizon? The sky was a perfect blue, not a cloud in sight. Dark clouds massed on the horizon.
card, card,
Card. Card.
A folded piece of stiff paper with a picture on the front and a message inside, that you send to someone on a special occasion.
Birthday or get well cards. It's Steve's birthday on Thursday. I must send him a card.
One of a set of 52 small rectangular pieces of stiff paper, each with a number and one of 4 signs printed on it, used in games.
After dinner, Ted got out a pack of cards. They play a lot of card games. Shall we play cards? Good looking. Good looking.
If someone is good looking, they have an attractive face.
He's very good looking. Forget. 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 Unforgettable. Forgetting. Forgot. Forgotten.
To not bring something with you because you did not remember it.
I've forgotten my keys.
Nature. Nature.
Nature. Nature. Nature, natural, unnatural, naturally.
All the plants, creatures, substances, and forces that exist in the universe, which are not made by people.
Her love of nature. This new technique of artificially growing cells copies what actually happens in nature. A nature article or book or program. Pass. Pass.
To succeed in a test or examination.
I've passed my driving test. Theo passed FCE at the age of 14.
To remember. To remember.
Remember. Remember.
To not forget to do something.
Did you remember to call Isabel? Remember to bring your passport.
Bill. Bill.
A piece of paper that tells you how much you must pay for something you have bought or for a service you have used.
An electricity or gas or phone bill. They sent us a bill for the work they had done. Could we have the bill, please?
Toy. Toy.
An object for children to play with.
Cuddly or soft toys. A toy train or farm or soldier. Put your toys away now, it's time for bed.
Pepper. Pepper.
Pepper. Pepper.
A black, gray, white, or red powder produced by crushing dry peppercorns, which is used to give food a spicy flavor.
Freshly ground black pepper. Salt and pepper.